Yo, somebody in the comments asked about doing a walkthrough about how to set it up and use the factory sounds. So when you get it, it comes with, I believe, standard traps already loaded up. So there are factory sounds. I'm gonna just be honest, I don't use these. I usually just sample into it and bring like drums that I've used in other drum machines like my MPC Live or my OP1, and I bring them into it. But it does come with a couple sound kits. The first one is Bongo Fury. It's like basically a whole bunch of bongos, and they've got congos, electro boys, Kodiak rock. I don't know what that is. Electro, bash, Percotron, Ricky's Band, Rock Assortment 2, Rock Drums, Standard Traps, which is the one that's usually on there still, Techno Drums, Timbales, Time Bomb Set, Turbo Kit, World Percussions. So these are all, um, I guess, just, you know, the factory sounds. I never use these, but for the sake of loading them, you hit 5. Let's see what these techno drums sound like. Once again, I believe samplers are to bring sounds in, so I don't really go to pieces of equipment looking for what sounds it comes with. But these are the techno drums. Oh, are we not even in multi-mode? So these are all already in there waiting for you. So not bad though. I mean, you definitely can. They're just very generic, but yeah. On your disc or your SD card, you definitely have factory drums. And the way to get to it is you hit disk, and you go into. Let's go back real quick. And it's hard to navigate this thing. It's not the easiest thing to navigate. So, but yeah, it's in the it's in the S or Sp1200 factory sound. There's like a whole folder. Hit enter, and then you have access to all of these. Let's see what the rock assortment or Ricky's Bam. Let's try that one. Hit 5, which is load sounds, and it'll load that drum kit. So this is making me think drum kits are easy to make. So I'm gonna start making Ricky's Bam. Pretty good. So some pretty good sounds, man. Do I see myself using these sounds in my productions? Most likely not, because I have my own sounds that I've used that I curated. But it's definitely good to get started, and I do see myself possibly taking some of these sounds and sampling them into other drum machines, and seeing where they go with them. But yeah, there's the factory sounds. To get into it, you have to go into your disc. Then after you're in your disc, you need to navigate to to the Sp1200 factory sound folder. And inside there's multiple kits to get you started on your Sp1200 adventures. Once again, this is Hypebeast's dad. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. We just got to our first 1,000 subs, so shout out to everyone who is subscribed for that. That is awesome. But the only way that we can keep this channel going and keep growing is if you guys subscribe, definitely share, and then just help us grow. So let's get it, man. Some big things when we get past 5,000. We'll start doing some giveaways and stuff. But we just got to get these numbers up. Y'all definitely watch all the videos. I have plenty of Sp1200 content, plenty of MPC content. It's just basically analog beat making content. Being in the Sp1200 is very esoteric and old school, and probably gonna get on the Electron, the Octatrack, which is another esoteric machine. But yeah, I've been itching to mess with that a little bit. But yeah, if you got any questions, definitely put them in the down below in the comments, and I will do my best to answer them. Peace.